This video will assist you in finding the articles for class on the Fontbonne database from the library. You will start at the Fontbonne homepage. From there, go to Current Students. Once you are there, you will go to Academic Resources and scroll down to click on Library. From here, you will click on Digital Resources from the Home menu. You may have to log in at this point, and your login would be the same as you use for your Fontbonne email and for Canvas. We'll scroll down to the A's and we'll start with Academic Search. Once you click there, it will open up the EBSCO database. From there, you can open up the syllabus and copy the title of the article by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Then you'll want to go back to the database, put your cursor in and do Control-V for it to paste. Then you will hit Search. Your article will appear and you'll see a PDF full text icon below the article. You will be able to click on that and it will open up the article for you. From this point, you can read the article from the screen. You can download it to your computer and save it, or you can print it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you to understand how to access the articles on Fontbonne's database site. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions.